So, what did you enjoy most about the program?
Enjoyed the part that I was able to give a speech.
I enjoy most about this program is the interaction.
I was able to express whatever was on my mind. I really enjoyed it.
What did you learn from the program?
I learned that teamwork makes the dream work, and other things as well, that we can collaborate with other people.
We have to be brave.
We can also do whatever comes to our mind. Nothing is impossible. That's what I learned from this program.
Very brave today? So, the first one, what is your biggest takeaway from this program?
As for me, personally, the biggest takeaway would have been, like, it's a great adventure. Okay, for me, because this is something new. I've never been explored to the world of business and entrepreneurship. And here, being the trainers for the students, has been like a learning step for me too. So I could take it as a biggest opportunity that I can get as a teacher.
And second one is, did the students stay engaged?
Yes, the students actively participated in this program and they are engaged in all the activities that we are able to do here in the session.
And the third one is, what are expectations for the annual program starting next year?
For this upcoming session, upcoming year, I would expected the chili base team along with us teachers, trainers, of course, to and expand the area of learning, the area of business. Is it
Not only to this group of students.
to this group, but to a larger, more group of students. As of now, even the other classes in our school are jealous of class 6 because they wanted to be part of this program. But next year, since we are promised that even the other classes would be involved, I think that would be something wonderful.
Yeah, that's good. Sounds good. So, what changes have you noticed in students who participated in the pilot program? If you've noticed any.
Noticeable changes. It's like even here today also it is obvious. We are teachers, we taught subjects in the classroom. But we became trainers here with the Chili Breeze program. We noticed that the students, they did pay attention and they became more enthusiastic in this Kidspreneurship program rather than the subjects taught in the school. So that is one thing which we have noticed right from the first day itself.
And they are more creative in fact.
Oh.
Sometimes we don't know that this boy or that girl is creative, but through this program we are able to identify those students who are creative, who have those problem solving skills and other skills which helps them to be which will help them to be future entrepreneurs.
You were surprised with how much they express themselves.
Yes. In
Yeah.
class, there are some students in class, they are very quiet and shy, but they come up with, as you saw today itself.
Akash is one of the
Is one of the example. But in class, he is very quiet. But today you can see his works where he is able to deliberate all those artwork which is done. And this program will really help those kind of students.
Motivate the students who we can say are weak in studying, but they are good in something else. And this is the opportunity.
Oh, that's awesome. That's amazing.
Thank you.